Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia world. This is Varun Ganga. Guys, in the last session we have learned so many types of shortcuts which are very helpful in finding the product when we are multiplying a number with the different types of numbers. But now in this session we are going to learn a new shortcut or technique which is very helpful in finding the product when we are multiplying a two-digit numbers in which the tens place are having 1 and the ones place are having of different digits. So while let us see how we can work out with this shortcut. So guys, at first, the conditions that are to be satisfied when we are using this shortcut is: number 1, it should be a two-digit number with 1 in tens place. And number 2, it can have any digit in its ones place. Then, now let us see what is the procedure or the shortcut that we are going to perform here. At first, we have to multiply the digits that are in ones place. And if it is a two-digit number, that is, if the product that you have got is a two-digit number, we have to take the digit in ones place and we have to carry the digit that is in tens place. And next, step number 2, what you have to do here is, you have to add the multiplicand with the digits that are in ones place of multiplier. And after adding that, if there is any carry on that we have carried, we have to add that carry on to the sum that we have got by adding the multiplicand with the digits in ones place of multiplier. Finally, by clubbing both the results that we have got, we get the final result. This shortcut can be explained more clearly through an example. Now let us see what is the example that we are going to take in this session. The example that I'm going to take in this session is 12 into 13. So guys, before going to use the shortcut, at first we had to make sure that whether our conditions are satisfying or not. The condition number 1 says that we should have the digits in tens place as 1. So if you check here, the number 12 is having 1 in its tens place and the number 13 is having 1 in its tens place. So our condition number 1 is satisfied. And next, moving to condition number 2, the digit in units place may be any digit. So here we are having 2 and here we are having 3, and therefore we can use the shortcut now. So before going to use the shortcut, let us write these two numbers one below the other as we do while doing multiplication in our old traditional way. Now after that, the step number 1 that we have to do here is, we have to multiply the digits that are in its ones place. So if you multiply the digits that are in its ones place, 2 into 3 you will get 6, and this 6 should be taken below the horizontal bar and should be written below the horizontal bar like this. Now moving to step number 2, now what we are going to do here is, we are going to add the digit of ones place of the multiplier to the multiplicand. And if you add 12 plus 3 you will get 15, and this result 15 should be taken below the horizontal bar and should be written on the left side like this. Now by combining both the results, that is 15 and 6, you will get the final answer, and therefore you can say that 12 into 13 is equals to 156. So guys, this is the way how we can work out with this shortcut. So guys, I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this shortcut. And this shortcut can be used only when we are multiplying a two-digit number in which the digits in its tens place are 1 and the digit in its ones place are of any kind. So guys, you do please apply this method whenever it is necessary. So guys, now let us see one more example regarding with the same shortcut. The example that I'm going to take here is 15 into 14. So guys, as I said before, that we have to check whether our conditions are satisfying or not. So if you see here, in the number 15 we are having 1 in its tens place, and in the number 14 we are having 1 in its tens place. So therefore condition number 1 is satisfied, and coming to condition number 2, we are having 5 and 4 in its ones place. So therefore condition number 2 is also satisfied. Now before going to use the shortcut, we have to write the numbers one below the other by placing two horizontal bars as we do multiplication in our old traditional way. Now the step number 1 of the shortcut says that we have to multiply the digits that are in ones place. Now if you multiply the digits that are in ones place here, 5 into 4 you will get 20. Now 20, it is a two-digit number, so we have to take the digit that is in ones place and we have to write this under the horizontal bar on the right side like this. Now moving to step number 2. Now what we are going to do here is we have to add the digit of ones place of multiplier to the multiplicand, that is 15 and 4. If you add 15 and 4, you will get 19, but here we are having a carry on, so this should be added to this, and by adding that 2 you will get 21, and this 21 should be taken down to the horizontal bars and should be written on the left side like this. Now by clubbing both the results you will get the final answer. So therefore you can say that 15 into 14 is equals to 210. So guys, this is the way how we can use this shortcut in order to get the product not less than 20 seconds. So guys, I hope that you have understood pretty well, and I do hope that you do use this shortcut whenever it is necessary. But the only one thing that you have to keep in your mind is this shortcut can be used only when we are multiplying a two-digit number in which the digits in its tens place are 1 and the digits in its ones place are of any kind. So guys, for watching this video, thank you, and in the next session we are going to have a look of some more examples regarding with the same shortcut. Now thank you, have a nice day.